Today, security companies are delivering complex and impressive projects. But very often, no one outside the project ever sees them. Security integrators build systems for schools, offices, warehouses, and residential buildings. But showing that experience to future clients can be harder than delivering the project itself. At Pipl Systems, we help integrators turn real installations into professional case study videos. We come to the site, speak with your team, capture the system in action, and turn the project into a clear and engaging story. These case study videos help your future clients understand how your team solves real security challenges. You can use them in meetings, proposals, on your website, and in sales presentations. The content is created under your brand and can be used across your marketing and sales channels. We also share selected projects through the Pipl Systems media platform with professionals across the security industry. If your company delivers great projects and you want the market to see your expertise, we'll help you tell that story. Pipl Systems, real projects, real stories, real security.